Soldering mistake number 1 is using a saw blade to cut copper pipe.
Soldering mistake number 2 is not deburring copper pipe.
Soldering mistake number 3 is not cleaning the surfaces being soldered.
Soldering mistake number 4 is the improper use and application of flux paste. Soldering mistake number 5 is the copper pipe has been incorrectly inserted into the fitting.
Soldering mistake number 6 is the incorrect use of the flame. Soldering mistake number 7 is using the incorrect flame size. Soldering mistake number 8 is the incorrect placement of the flame. Soldering mistake number 9 is not knowing when it's hot enough to melt the solder. Soldering mistake number 10 is incorrect use of the solder.
Soldering mistake number 11 is disturbing the joint before it cools. Soldering mistake number 12 is not removing the flux paste residue after soldering. Soldering mistake number 13 is not properly supporting the copper pipe. Soldering mistake number 14 is soldering wet copper pipe. Soldering mistake number 15 is incorrectly soldering vertical copper pipe.
If you'd like more in-depth information on how to avoid these common mistakes, then watch this next video in the top right-hand corner. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.